Welcome back to my channel. No clickbait. The answer to the question is, on September 22nd, 1968, first episode of Star Trek, the word that was spoken was computer by James T. Kirk. And full disclosure, remember I showed you that fancy thing I had to turn this on, all my equipment? Here's the other 50% of my studio equipment right here. Usually goes on the steering wheel. But I wanted to do something a little different today. So if it gets a little shaky, sorry about that, I'm learning. But anyway, getting back to computer. Little did James T. Kirk, or Roddenberry, and all of the characters, their crew, little did they know that that would become a reality in 2025. That you would be able to speak into a computer and have it do what you want it to do. Text to speech, into chat, into Gork, it's all part of there. The problem-solving capabilities are incredible. And as we move forward on this channel, if you're looking forward to learn how to use chat or AI and do anything technical like code or SEO, I'm not the right guy. But if you'd like to learn chat, how to improve the quality of your life, solve problems, move forward, yes, even maybe encourage and get a better relationship or relationships, because that's a problem in and to itself, stay tuned. I'd like to go very slowly, step by step. And the best way to get a problem solved is to identify the problem. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to do some examples, show some examples. And you're welcome to comment, and if you have any comment or you'd like me to take a different direction, please let me know. But as an example, if you're driving down and a orange or yellow light appears on your dashboard, ask chat, what did that mean? It means that this, you should take care of that, have it checked, instead of freaking out. Sorry if I'm sexist, the guy knows that. A lot of the younger drivers, women, they don't. Or if you have a cold or a cough, it cannot give you medical advice, but it can point you in the right direction as to isolate this, this, and this. A good question will not always give you a good answer, but a good question gets you going in the right direction. And just as the computer was a useful tool, it didn't care, it didn't like or dislike, it was just a tool. The phone, your laptop, it doesn't care or like you. It's just a tool. Chat and the AI, it doesn't care, it doesn't like you. It doesn't feel. It's just a tool. But if you can relate with it or to it like you would a professional, a doctor or a lawyer or a stockbroker or anyone like that, or a friend, you would be much better off. Because garbage in, garbage out. That's a computer phrase there. So if you can just relate or talk to it, as Kirk did, and write down the question before you give it to them, you'll be much better off. When you give it a request or a question, that's called a prompt. It just means input. That's it. Computer, what's the temperature outside? Well, assuming that it knows where you are, it's going to say the temperature is so-and-so. Or it might say where, because you haven't given it enough specific information. That's a prompt. That's all that is. They can be short or very, very long. Over the next several videos, I'm going to start doing a couple of simple problem solving, and if it's too simple, I apologize. See, there's my shaky stick thing right there. Sorry, guys. It's a work in progress here. But my goal is to have you become more accustomed, more familiar, be able to use AI to improve the quality of your life. And if I haven't said it to you before, it's free. I don't want any money. I'm not selling anything. I don't have a course, a click. I don't have any of that. You can get chat for nothing. They do have a $20 a month option. You don't need it. You absolutely do not need it. So sign up. Matter of fact, I'm learning, right? My new channel. In my comments, I'll pin a link to ChatGPT. And I encourage you, if you don't have one, to go ahead and get an account and follow along or just practice and learn how it can make your day and make your life easier, simple, and better and less stressful. Because it can do all of those things. It's just like having a friend in your pocket, if you will. Unbiased, unemotional, always willing to answer a question, give you as a correct answer as possible without trying to please you or do any of that. You may not like the answer, but it'll be an answer. Well, thank you very much. I'm going to sign off on this, and remember to pin a link to ChatGPT below. And as always, please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. Bye now.